Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Google Fonts simply using the Google Fonts library in your Flutter application. So here you can see I've created a brand new test app. So this is a blank application which I have created just now. Okay, so what we are going to do is first let me run this application. So we are going to open the pub.dev website. So here we are going to search for Google Fonts. So you can see this library, Google Fonts. What we are going to do is we are going to install this Google Fonts library. Okay. So to install, we can copy this command from here. Okay. So I have copied this. Now we are going to open our Android Studio, and in the terminal section, we are going to paste the command which we copied from the pub.dev website. So once we hit enter, it's going to install this library. Okay, you can see this in the pubspec.yaml file. So you can see that the Google Fonts is now installed in our Flutter application. So now we are going to rerun our application. So by the time the app reruns, we are going to add some modifications so that we can see the updates. So I'm going to remove this counter. Okay, for the demo purpose we are going to use this text which is there by default. So what we have to do now is we need to use the style attribute. Okay, and we are going to call the Google Fonts. Okay, we are going to use its constructor. Okay, and you can see as soon as we hit enter, it will show us all the fonts which are there. You can see all these fonts which are there in the Google Fonts website. So we can use any of these fonts. Okay, so our application is now running. Okay, so we are going to modify this font. So first, to easily see the changes, we are going to use some kind of a fancy font. So we are going to use Sacramento. Okay, we are going to increase the font size to, I think it will be 20, and let's hot reload. Okay, so now you can see the font is kind of changed. Okay, no, you can see this. We can even try some sorry. So now you can see this font. We can try to use Montserrat. Okay, we can use Open Sans. There are popular fonts like Poppins. There is this popular font as Roboto. So you can see we can use all these popular fonts and you saw how easy it was. So we can use this. We can see all the fonts which are there. We can kind of use all these fonts which are there in this fonts.google.com. So like if you want to use this playwright, okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use as playwright. Okay, so you saw this. Okay, so uh, it was something like playwright. I think this was the font. Yes, kind of. Okay, so you can see we can use any of these fonts. So like if you want to use this, so it was SAIRA. Okay, so now if you want to have some kind of more fancy, like this one, Bunji, so we can go to Bunji. Okay, we can use this Bunji font. So you saw how easy it is to add custom fonts in your Flutter application using the Google Fonts library. So I have added the link to the library in the description. You can check out the library. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you like if you need some changes in the video, please provide the feedback in the comment section. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.